6-year-old St. James schoolboy dies in heavy rainfall. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. James mother is mourning the tragic death of her 6-year-old son, Giovanni Kidd, just days into the new school year. Young Giovanni, a grade 1 student of the Catadupa Primary School, is believed to have been washed away by heavy rainfall in his community as he walked home from school on Thursday afternoon. The boy's mother, Georgia Adams, told reporters that she was at work when their eldest daughter called to say that they could not locate Giovanni. A search team was formed and they subsequently located the boy's deceased body in a stream on Thursday afternoon. It is believed that the heavy rainfall forced the 6-year-old into the ditch. Adams stated that she is heartbroken as Giovanni cried not to attend school on Thursday morning. More details will be followed in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.